One of the fun things about art is the different things you can do with a piece of paper and a pencil to create all different kinds of art, not just cartooning and illustration, but even abstract art. And sometimes what I like to do is just create a shape and then fill it in with different designs, and you'll be amazed at how cool it looks when you're completed. So one of the examples I give is using, again, you can use different kinds of shapes. Basically there's 3 types of shapes. There's circles, there's triangles, and squares. And then using that to make an abstract drawing. So watch me, for example, using a line and a circle. Start in the middle of your paper and just go like this. And it's kind of fun, and then you go a little faster and wider, whatever you want to do. Once you kind of laid out that wheel, if you will, that's going around and around, and you can start to see you can do some really fun things with this simple circular pattern to create an abstract drawing. Abstract meaning that it has a lot of different variables that you can see it from different angles to give you a different kind of picture. And it's sometimes vague, but maybe not. And as you work with it, you can have a lot of fun creating different images within images, and it's maybe not so defined, but it may be more definable by a lot of different patterns. I know it sounds complicated, but let me show you how that works. So I might start here in the middle again, and maybe what I want to do is I just want to go ahead and put some lines in here like this, okay? It almost looks like a candy cane, doesn't it? Kind of wrapping around like this. And maybe I get to here and I say, you know what I'm going to do? Now I'm going to put some polka dots in there, okay? So we're just going to put some polka dots, big, maybe small, another big one, maybe a medium-sized one. And we're just going to go around here and add some different circles, again, a shape, to that design. Now watch this. Maybe instead of that, I want to go ahead and just do a squirrely line, kind of imagine a snake, if you will, curling up. You just go round and round and round and round and round the wheel you go, okay? And you kind of almost like petals on a flower. Okay, after you get that done, what else could you do? Oh, you know what I could do then? Maybe I want to go ahead and just do a zigzag line. So instead of being kind of circular, now it's got a triangular appearance to it. See how I did that? Like teeth coming off almost. Okay, so I got that done. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to come up with different ways to create different designs. Maybe I want to do something like this. Another way to create another design using simple lines around your circle with different shapes in the line, right? That's kind of fun. And I'm trying to think what else you could do. Well, maybe you want a section where you just kind of darken it in, right? Like so. And you just got a section that's going to be darker color of some sort. Actually, you know what that made me think of? Here's another one you could do, squares, right? Well, you don't have to stop there. You could go like this. You know what that is? I think you know what this is. This is simply put, a checkerboard, right? You can play checks or checkers on there, and maybe you want to create a whole series of those. And as you work your way around, right, I'm going to draw an arrow, as you work your way from the very center of your design to the outside of your design, when you're done, you might have a very abstract drawing, but it might also have a lot of creative designs within it that you can share with your friends, and you can talk about different ways you see different pictures in it. What I like doing is something like this. Maybe I'm done, I say I get that done. Maybe I want to even add something on the outside, which are kind of half circles, right? And go around my design like so. And there even could be a flower petal now or something that has a design in it that's really intricate. And then you can go to your light table, you can ink it up, go over the things you like, color it if you want, and you've got a beautiful abstract design that you can take home with you, put on your fridge, give to your family, and it's just really wonderful work. So I hope you enjoy that.